You better check yourself, cause it'll wreck yourself, and I'm bad for your health. I don't know the lyrics to the song, but it's the vlog part 2. But guys, it's Thursday. Y'all better be having a great day, whatever day you're watching this. I'm getting my check, y'all already know. Fuck. All that's on my mind though is what am I gonna make for dinner? Cause yeah. What sounds entertaining to do when you don't have anything to do?
Back in the day,
it's
but
summer.
I can't really enjoy myself with them for some reason.
I feel you, I do. It's very hard for me to enjoy myself or get mad at people, but I do it. Move it. Well, I'm here to pick up my check. The life of the wife was ended by the dishwasher. What's up, bro?
Straight out of bed.
Yeah, boy. Straight out of jail, bro. Hey. What are you doing? I gotta learn not to instigate cops. I almost went to jail. Hi. Yeah. Just me being crazy. Cops being just assholes, feeling like they could use that badge to do anything and everything they want. Huh? Nothing. I was just fucking... Yeah, nothing. All I did... What? It looked like these cops were like being pissed at this homeless dude, and I said he didn't even do anything. What's the worst that a homeless person can do by just laying there? And he's like, well, if you want to keep instigating, we can go downtown, blah blah blah. And I'm like, whatever, man. I gotta go to work and get my check. I'm in a freezer. It's fucking cold. Good. I guess I'm hungover, not really. You work in the afternoon tomorrow?
Hey, cause what's his name? Juice, I think he's leaving tomorrow, bro. So like shit, bro. I'll take you.
This show?
And the weekend, you work on the weekend. Saturday, when?
The afternoon?
So I'll probably not be in the morning. Well, I do it then. I work Saturday, Sunday anyway in the morning.
Good show.
Oh yeah, you do that. Or you gonna be in the afternoon?
I'll see you, man.
Good, bro.
Yeah.
God.
Oh, I feel like shit. What the fuck? God. Humans. Hopefully I got a fucking good check. Then again, it doesn't matter in the end. Money's money. The world revolves around it, and us humans are fortunately, controlled by a piece of paper called money. But what can we do? Not a damn thing. Just keep trying to work happily at a job that we should be happy to work at. Like I said in the other videos, if you're not working at somewhere where you're at least semi-happy, then get another job or look for somewhere better, because you don't deserve stressfulness. You don't deserve to be stressed out. Moment of truth, baby. Moment of truth. Please let it be more than 320. Fuck. Y'all are crazy. I might get a camera today. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'd be down. I'd be willing to go to the mountains and shit.
I doubt that.
But yeah, like I know I'd faint again. I know for a fact I probably would, because I feel like shit. I haven't ate, drinking anything, maybe water, but it's fucking bullshit. Someone in the fucking bathroom at McDonald's, I can't take a shit because, yeah, the people at the house, they're fixing the pipes, so what can I do? I sit back and relax in this Toyota. I'm in Noda. Oh, it's a neat. Fuck.
A new age Datsun.
It's a new age Datsun. And I say whatever I say I am. But when I do it, you know I do it 'cause I can. We are currently by Denver University. I wish I could fucking go to Denver University. As a child, fuck no, that is way too much money for me to save up, or loans. I cannot do that. But as a child, when 4th grade, my fucking kick-ass teacher, Miss Sharon Wilson, she was the coolest fucking teacher ever. She paid for the whole class, or took the whole class to come to DU. We skated on the ice rink. We played hockey. We took a whole tour of the fucking place. It was so cool. We seen like the DU players like play football, I think. Y'all can't see, but we're on High Street, baby.
You can point at it.
I'm high. But yeah, it was pretty rad, dude. There's a lot of stuff that that teacher did for us students that year, and those few years that she was my teacher. She did a shitload for us. Like, she took us to the mountain. She took us to this big giant rich dude's house that had like a mansion. It was crazy. Like, why? How would you do this for your students? You're a great teacher. 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. 'Cause my nigga don't know what a dollar does to some. Fucking crossing Franklin Street. Wishing I had a car to go to the meet.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Feel the burn! You gotta feel it to believe it. Walk this way, talk this way. Just give me a kiss. Four, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5. There's a 4, a 2, and then a 5. Getting paid every week 'cause I don't get a beat. I don't sing on beat, but yeah, I'm lucky to get at least 400 to more than 300 a week. You know, shit. From when I started working, I got like 280. But washing dishes is easy. Like I said, guys, try to get a job that you semi or half at. It's happiness in the other video.
What am I?